Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed review of the Dyson Pure Cool Advanced Air Purifier available in India. So before going into the actual detailed aspects about this Dyson Air Purifier, now this is one of the really premium products out there which has a extremely high filtration rate and one of the best out there in India in terms of purification. But before that, many of you might be wondering, do you really need an air purifier in India? Now, to answer this question, an average adult takes around 10,000 liters of air every day. So that's a massive quantity. Now, if you consider the water we intake, we don't actually go ahead and drink contaminated water because you know that affects your health. But have you ever thought about inhaling contaminated air? No, because we don't actually look into how much air we take and how polluted the air is, what we take. So this actually has a very bad impact on our health because a lot of chronic diseases are caused due to air pollution. And if you look at the air pollution situation in India, if you look at cities like Delhi, Mumbai, the major metros, the air pollution is literally worse, and it has crossed the air quality index of above 500. So the air in such cities are literally not worth inhaling because it's contaminated and it's having a lot of pollution, PM 2.5, PM 10, then volatile organic components and NO2. All these things are in the air. These inhalation of these cause a lot of issues because they are not instantly like water contamination. They actually show up after a period of time. So having an air purifier at home is one of the essential things you need to consider right now in India because most of the metro cities are now contaminated with pollution. Now, the standards followed in India, the air quality index values followed in India are not as stringent as the WHO standards, although they are stringent, but they are not as powerful or rather stringent compared to the WHO standards. Now, if you look at the Dyson Pure Cool Air Purifier, these are following the WHO standards, and hence you get much better air purification, and it can purify air up to 0.1 microns, that's 99.95% purification of 0.1 microns. That's very small minute particles it can filter. Now the general air purifiers we have in India cater to PM 2.5 and PM 10 and also other volatile components. Now here we have a very high purification rate. So we'll be talking about how this air purifier works, what are the filters and what are the functions it offers. So before going into that, first let's have a look at the machine as such. So this is the air purifier. It is quite big in size. In fact, this is around 1 meter tall. It's very big. We'll just take this and we'll just show you how big it is. So you can actually see the height of this air purifier. So you can see that it's a pretty big air purifier. So that's the total height. So we can't show everything in complete one frame. That's why we are just showing this major part. This is the filtering part, and here we have the fans, which is bladeless fans, which actually filters out the purified air. Now assembling the filter is a pretty easy process. We have two hooks here. You can see that these are the two hooks. So just pull this, and you can see that you can take out the filters. So these are the filters. You can see this is the HEPA filter inside. The violet color one is the HEPA filter, and it is made of borosilicate glass HEPA filter. So you can just remove the HEPA filter as and when you need to remove it. Then you get the activated carbon filter. So you can also remove the activated carbon filter. So these are, you can see both sides you get this filter. This also is removable along with that. Now this is our activated carbon filter. We can see that it's completely filled with carbon. And now it's very easy to install. You can just press this and it's installed. Now this also HEPA filter, you can see that there is a portion, just push it inside. And there you go, we are all set for purification. Now what you need to do, there is a button here available. So just turn on the button and you can see that the display turns on. So the display has multiple values. So we have a very small remote as well. So this is the remote. It comes with all the basic functions. An extremely user-friendly remote. We have the option to increase the fan speed, the information, auto mode, night mode, all those things are included. Now it has a very small LCD display here. You can see that the air quality index is shown here, and the current filtration and the fan level is fan level 1. it can go up from 1 to 10, that's the fan level. Now you can also see the air quality here. Now if you press, you can see that the 24-hour air quality index is shown. It actually plots a graph in the last 24 hours. And then you can see that the PM 2.5, that's the 2.5 micron particles, how much is there in the air. You can see that when it is green, it is kind of okay. It goes to yellow, orange, and finally red. Red means it's high pollution in your air. Then next is the PM 10 microns. Again, you can see what is the current value in your room. Again, it's now safer value. The next is the volatile organic compounds, and here also you can see the value of what the filtration does. Then again, there is also NO2. Then finally you get the temperature in the room and the humidity, and also finally you can see that the filter, the filtration rate, and if the filters are in good condition, you can see that both the filters are in pretty good state right now. Now finally you get the Wi-Fi option. So these are the options in the display. Now in the remote, you can see that this is the remote. As I said before, you can see that there's a power off button, then information option, then auto mode. If you want better filtration, go with the auto mode, because based on the particles, it actually changes the fan speed, and you can also manually change the fan speed here. Then you can do for oscillation as well, and you can also change the direction of the airflow. There are two modes available. Then there is also night mode. If you want lesser noise during the night, when the filtration is actually happening, you can go with the night mode, and you can actually change the oscillation. Now there is an oscillation option, so we'll just show that as well. Now you can see there is an oscillation option. You can go from 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 350 degrees. Now if you select 350 degrees, it will go complete circle, and it purifies the entire air. Even then it also purifies the entire air even without the oscillation. Now with the oscillation, you can get the purified air towards all the areas of the room. Now quite often what we see is that the air purifier is placed towards the corner of the room, and what happens is the purification of air happens only in that particular corner. But here what Dyson PureCool does is that it filters all the particles inside the room. It follows actually a polar test rather than the CADR test, which is not very effective. So here what the Dyson PureCool does is very effective filtration, and it has higher filtration capacity, and it can filter almost 0.1 micron size pollutants as well. So it's very effective, and it does a really great job in terms of purification. Now it actually has three sensors working to detect the amount of dust and other micron particles in the air. Now based on these sensors, it is actually very sensitive. That's why you can actually see very drastic filtration levels, because the moment it finds out that the air quality inside your house is going down, it speeds up the purification process, and it actually automatically detects the amount of air it needs to pull, and based on that the auto mode will increase the fan speed, and purification process is also much faster. Now the night mode, as I said before, if you are using the air purifier during night, the night mode is recommended. It works pretty slowly. You can see that right now it's working. It doesn't produce any kind of sound. So right now we are going to do a quick test on how sensitive this is. So you can see here now the air quality is kind of green, so that means purified air is coming out. Now we will just spray this in the room and see how it will detect. Now as soon as I spray, you can see that it detects that the volatile organic components are higher, and it actually speeds up the fan. You can see this fan is now speeding. So you can see here VOC is higher level. Now as a result, the fan speed is increased automatically, and from 1 to it has gone up to 10, and it is increasing the purification process, thereby reducing the amount of volatile components or compounds in the air. So that's how the purification works. The sensors are really sensitive, and even a very small change, it triggers the auto mode, and you can see now it is in higher purification rate. And as long as the purification is not complete, it won't reduce the speed, and once the pollutants are removed, it will actually come down in terms of the fan speed. So it's very effective. That's why we did a quick demo on how it increases the fan speed based on the pollution. Now Dyson also has an app which is the Dyson Link app, available on the Apple's iOS store or the Android Play Store. Now you can download the app and you can see all the details here. Now you can also remotely operate the device. Here you can see there is an option to turn on or off the machine. Then auto mode, you can also set the timer. Then you can actually remotely operate or rather turn on the Dyson Pure Cool. For example, if you are returning from office to home, you can actually turn it on remotely, so that by the time you reach your home, the air is purified. So similarly, you can go with auto mode, night mode. You can actually change the airflow pattern. So all those things you can manually do from here. You can also option to schedule the air purification process. So this is a very useful app available in the Play Store and iOS store. So that is a detailed review of the Dyson Pure Cool advanced technology air purifier right now available in India. These are priced at 45,000 rupees in India. They are slightly on the expensive side compared to the other purifiers available in India. But remember, the purification process is much better than the regular purifiers you get in the market. Now, if you're a person living in metro cities where the pollution levels are higher, like say Delhi or Mumbai, we highly recommend going for the Dyson Pure Cool, because this is one of those products which has a higher filtration rate, a better filters, and it can go up to 99.95% of 0.1 micron. That's the purification process, and it's very well built purifier as well. The build quality and everything fit and finish looks really nice, and it also functions really well. It also has a connected app, a pretty useful remote control, and different types of modes to choose. So all in all, if you're investing in an air purifier, we suggest you to go for the best out there in the market. That's the Dyson Pure Cool advanced technology. So that's the detailed review. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.